Well, 10th standard. A very good morning in this Navaratri festival. Keep yourself all fit and fine. Be happy with your family members. Today, 10th standard, Jesse English High School. Our topic is going on There's a Girl by the Tracks by Devan Kannan. Before going to start the reading part, I would like to give you the knowledge. Page 26, page 27, page 28. Open your textbook, get ready with page 26. 26, 27, 28. Glossary, all page wise you will get in the textbook. I will analyze it and you will try to understand. Note down in your notebook simultaneously. And explanation, obviously I will read and I will explain. After that also doubt, confusion, so many things may be there. Please meet me, clear your doubt and confusion. Main concept of the lesson, expression, that one totally, the thought given on compassion. On base of this compassion, the whole lesson, we should be very much sympathetic to other, any human being, wherever we are, that is irrespective of caste and creed and religion. Number 2, we should be showing always compassion to our surroundings, society, all the animals, all the human beings. That is called true heart, a good citizen of any country. So dear students, 10th standard, here the flow chart, you have to keep it in your mind map. It's going on in this way. Expression, sympathy, words of movement. Time to time when I am reading the story, the prose, unit 2, There's a Girl by the Tracks, you will see each and every sentence declaring something, showing compassion. So that's our target. We should be very much sympathetic to other all society people in our country and abroad. We should show always compassion to the human beings wherever we are, including animals, birds, etc. So dear students, 10th standard, be very positive about your learning with your festival. Every year you will get festival, parties, candlelight dinners and everything. This is the time of SSLC. This time will not come back. November is approaching. So be serious about your books, about your notebooks, curriculum and English learning. That's important in life today. Students, 10th standard, full group, get ready. Open page 26, paragraph 8. That morning on December 10, 2010, a Friday, Roma Talraja arrived at the call center bright and early. Already arrived at the call center because she is working there as call center executive. The BCom graduate, what is her qualification? BCom graduate from Pune, had been working there for 2 years consequently, loving her job, talking and connecting to customers, call center job, always communication with the customers and making new friends there. After work, she went to the cafeteria to have coffee, where she and her friends joked, make fun, etc., etc. After duty hours, full duty, seriously. After that, relaxation. That is the corporate style. Loved and made plans of the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, weekend. How to enjoy, how to pass the time with mother, father, with the other family members, with friends, etc., etc. Then, heading home alone after her shift, Roma was looking forward to have supper. Supper and dinner, same thing. Supper, dinner, night food, night meal. That one supper, dinner. Both you can see. With her parents and brother and a long phone chat with her fiancé Vijay. Fiancé means to whom she loved. When any gents member for the girls, then the girl tell that he is my fiancé. Vijay is my fiancé. Vijay is the fiancé of Roma Talreja. So Vijay here for the gents member fiancé, and the gents member when they tell about their beloved any girl, then they tell fiancée, C-double-E, in this way. So fiancé means whom she loved and thinking to make lifelong partner through marriage, etc. Baleshwar Mishra has a very different story. The lucky youngster, Sivan from Mirzapur, UP, Uttar Pradesh, is an unemployed high school dropout till high school education. From next session onwards 21, you will see Education Minister all over India already announced, if suppose in the college any student completed first semester, second semester, third semester, maybe last semester not completed, or maybe first year, second year failed to rank, but everybody with the full tuition fees, payment and all, whenever everything clear, library, labs, etc., etc., then they are very much deserving to get the certificate. Because sometimes so many things happen. Some people have some disease, some people have dangerous type of accident, so many things happen. Some people have so many family disasters, so many things. Maybe they did not able to complete that higher education, but they are deserving to get the certificate. Yes, till that date, till that moment, they have completed their college course or other courses, etc. So we will not tell that he is a failure. We will say high school, the very good English, he had drafted, dropout. Okay, by any way, high school dropout means after that he won't be able to proceed with his education towards college life. But high school dropout means he has knowledge till high school. We can't say high school failed, this, that, nothing. So many things happened with the human beings in this earth. So that is not the main point. Knowledge is very important and work culture is important and humanity is important today. So here very nicely Devan Kannal here drafted the portrait of Baleshwar Mishra, high school dropout who would recently come to Mumbai, living with his two older brothers, his job hunt, hunting a job. Anybody according to their education, according to their degrees, certificate, marks card, they are eligible in India to search a job. Sometimes so many people have so many percentage, so many things, but they failed. But some people, they have extremely good work culture, good human beings. They are more adapted in the industries, in the corporate sectors, etc. Because corporate sectors, company-oriented job, they always see the work culture of a particular person. There are no excuse about other matters, but work culture is important. Maybe not that much degree, but work culture is there and they are doing. So, this is the thing that living with his two older brothers, his job hunt had proved fruitless because his failure to get that type of job, he's searching. Sometimes some people good luck, some people bad luck. So that thing happens with Baleshwar Mishra. Job hunt is going on but not satisfactory. Fruitless means not satisfactory. Not in that way he is getting the job. That is the sequence that time. Or you may say situation. Now he was trading water. Trading water, down you will see page 26. All the word meanings clearly drafted. You see the printout. Trading water, making no progress, means no development at all. So what happened? And had resigned himself to the fact that he was running out of option. Maybe what option he is taking out, carrying out, it's not suitable for him. He had spent his day with a friend, grabbed lunch, enjoyed lunch and watched a movie. So there's no tension at all. Good movie. As Baleshwar boarded the train, means just inside the train, he was thinking about his future, what to do, how to plan. But all he could now think of was saving a stranger's life. Oh my goodness, there's a girl by the tracks. I have to save immediately. How? We have to stop the train fast. I myself will take initiative. Emergency red chain, pull down. Then he jumped from the train to rescue the girl, to save the girl's life. That was that moment very important to him. Page 27. 10th paragraph. Innumerable motorists drove by. Some even showing down to see the young man struggling to hold the blood-covered woman in his arms. Just when he had begun to lose hope, a tempo truck pulled over and its driver, a middle-aged man who spoke Gujarati, stepped out. "Help me!" Baleshwar pleaded, and the man helped Baleshwar lay Roma down in the back of his truck. He only helped that Gujarati speaking person. And what happened? Baleshwar was quickly telling the driver what had happened when a traffic policeman arrived. "Take the girl to Airoli," suggested the crop. "There's a hospital there." But Baleshwar disagreed. Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away. So nearby some immediate basic first aid requires. Baleshwar and the middle-aged Gujarati speaking person, they are thinking how to reach nearby somewhere where they will get the basic first aid of Roma. So attachment paper with the question answers and all, I will send you 10th student. Please you read sincerely, and notebook should be with you always. Keep on writing on the notebooks. Come and meet me in the school premise for your notebook checking like my other good students. Wish you all the best. That's all to this lesson. Thank you.